So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you something about links. So we have already seen the theoretical video. Now we'll be doing that practically. So let's open our text editor, which is Notepad actually. So by writing window R and Notepad, I can just type the things, doc type, and after that you can specify HTML. These are the basic things you have already seen in the previous video. So I'm writing HTML tag. Inside that I'll be writing head tag. Then after the head, I can specify the title of the tab. For example, basics. Or actually, we are learning links. So let's start with the links. Now I can specify the body in which I want to show my actual content. So for specifying a link, I can just write a tag in here and I can close it with a. I can just write simply, for example, link of HTML file. Just let me write that. And in here, I can specify the file name which I want to link by adding this href attribute. So in here, I can specify the file name and the extension of the file, which is .html actually. So first, let me save it and show you where I'm saving this file. So I'm saving this inside here. Uh, Let me just save it with the name of link.html. So .html is necessary, as I've already told you in the first video of the practical series, that you should always write .html if you want to execute this inside a browser. Now I can specify the file name in here, like whatever I want to link. For example, basic.html. This is my file in which I saved, where I saved this. So inside that folder, this file is there. So I'll be writing the file name and the extension. If it is in somewhere else, like in other folder, you can specify the folder name first, and then you can specify the HTML file name with the extension actually. Then I can save this by adding Control S, and I can practically run this. So actually this is first.html, basics is not there. So let me just change the name to first.html. Now I can run this link.html inside the Firefox browser. So you can see that a tag is executed in here. So if I click on this link, so you can see that this first.html file is executed. So you can see that it is executed inside the same tab. It is not going in another tab, but instead it is running that file inside the same tab. So there is one attribute, by adding that you can open this link inside another tab by taking another tab. So for doing that, you just have to specify the uh, target attribute in here. Target attribute will tell where you have to show this link. So the default value is self, so it shows in the same tab, but I want to show it inside the another tab, so I can just write underscore blank here. If I do that and if refresh that page, and now if I click on this link, then this link will be executed in another tab, not in the same tab. So let me just click on that. So you can see that it took one more tab, and inside that it executed this first.html file. So this is how you can add the local HTML file. Similarly, you can also add the online link of any HTML file. For example, if I want to add this Udemy page, so I can copy this link and change that to first.html to that https and then this. If I just refresh this page again and if I click on this now, so it will open the Udemy page. So this is how what we do actually. So you can add the local file name and extension, or the path and extension of the file name, and also you can add the online link of any web page which you want to show by adding the, like inside the link. Also you can add heading inside in between the a tag. Anything which you write inside that will be treated as a link. So I can write any link as well in here, for example Udemy in heading 1. If I save this file and if I refresh that, so you can see that this link is there. If I click on this, then the same thing will happen, but the text is now a little bit larger. So this is how you can add the links, and I've told you, like I've explained you about this attributes. So you can also use them if you want to link other pages from one HTML file or one HTML page. Or you can also add the external link or external web page link in here, but inside the href attribute. So this is what I wanted to tell you about the links. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the another one.